Make crispy French fries at home. Making your own French fries at home can be really frustrating, especially if you always end up with soggy fries. Because of this, you just opt to buy crispy French fries from fast foods. There is a certain way to cook French fries so that you can have them crispy. Find out the steps on how to do this by following the simple instructions that are provided below. Learn how to make your own homemade crispy fries by following these steps. Ingredients and materials that you need. The ingredients that you need for making crispy French fries are potatoes, oil, salt, flour, and water. You also need some chili powder if you want to have a hint of spice with your fries. Prepare a mixing bowl, paper towels, and your deep fryer. If you do not have a deep fryer, a deep skillet will do. Prepare the potatoes. First, wash the potatoes and brush the skin under running water. Afterwards, use a peeler to remove the potato skin. Cut the potatoes down to size. The ideal width is about ½ inch and the length is about 3 inches long. Coat the potatoes. Get your mixing bowl and fill it with water. Add about a tablespoon or 2 of salt. Add the sliced potatoes to the water and let it set for about 15 minutes. You can already heat up some oil in your deep fryer or skillet while waiting for the potatoes. Make sure that you add plenty of oil so that the potatoes are submerged. After 15 minutes, use paper towels to dry the potatoes. Get another mixing bowl and add about a cup of flour. Add the potatoes to the flour and toss them around. Make sure to coat the potato pieces very well. If you want spicy fries, you can add some chili powder to the flour. Fry the potatoes. When the oil in the deep fryer is really hot, add the French fries in. Be careful when you do this. You can burn yourself in the hot oil. Allow the fries to cook for about 5 minutes. Remove the potatoes from deep fryer. While the potatoes are cooking, prepare a strainer where you can drain the excess oil from the potatoes. This is better than using paper towels to absorb the oil since the air will circulate when using a strainer and will help in retaining the crispness of the fries. Serve the French fries while hot. These are the easy steps that you can follow if you want to make crispy French fries at home. You can eat the fries as snacks or you can also add them as a side dish for your favorite meals. These crispy French fries go well with steak, buttered vegetables, and cheeseburgers. If you are going to eat the fries on their own, You can add ketchup or powder flavorings such as cheese or barbecue. Place the French fries in a Ziploc bag and add a few tablespoons of the flavoring. Shake the bag until the French fries are well coated.